Here's a quickie. I decided to reduce the font size so that the buttons would be smaller. This now just shows the file name instead of the whole path name, which is taking up too much space. And I combined the layer and the tile tabs so that they're combined, because I was switching in between tile sets and layers, and it was kind of annoying because you switch down here and then you have to go to another layer and back and forth. This way is much easier. And then I also added a property sheet, so now I can just turn on the repeats and the scrolls and all that stuff, all that cool stuff. And then I've also added a character deal. Now, the character property sheet isn't going to be as nice looking as the layer property sheet. That's because there's so much information on there that it would just take me forever to get it all perfectly lined up. And I'll probably line it up a piece at a time, but right now I just wanted to get it working. So I decided to see now you can edit all the parameters of the player. And if you notice here, you can actually manually enter the position if you want, width and height. Extents, these are basically the area that your character can move in. And of course gravity, how big of a force you get when you jump, that you're a maximum speed, both X and Y. The Y is kind of ignored on the platform game, but if you don't allow gravity and stuff, then this takes precedence. Resistance was sort of like friction. It might not be correct friction, but basically it's how much you allow it to slide. High resistance means that it doesn't hardly slide at all. Of course, there's this. This is where one entity can block another. That means that the one entity will stop, sort of like it does on the tiles. Whether it's active or not. Platform is sort of a kind of a tricky feature that doesn't really work completely properly. It's trying to make moving platforms, so that's why that's there. This is how you're facing. You can actually change that to the different facing directions. AI type, there's two right now. Indie just means it can move by itself, which the player character is, and then controlled means that it's going to be controlled by a routine. And right now all we have is the patrol routine, and then of course the color of the sprite, because there's no actual graphics in there just yet. And then you can add a new character, and see, then you can do all this. If you notice the default values here, and I can actually place it on the maps, anywhere on the map that I want to. So if I place it right here, and for some reason it's not showing up, I don't know why. It's because it's probably not active. Let's activate it. There we go. And there you see it right there. And see that thing moving back and forth because of the patrol thing? Anyways, that's pretty much all I've got right there. You can actually delete it too, see? And then we're back up to this one. And also here, let's Sparky, since he's the player character, you can also, see, like that. And it will just do it wherever you put it. Like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.